Hello, Jarvis. How are you today?
Hello, I'm here to help you with any financial or economic topics you'd like to discuss. Feel free to ask about equities, futures, forex, options trading, global market trends, or any other related subjects. Let's explore and analyze together.
Given current global economic trend, which international sectors do you think look most promising for year 2026?
Based on current global economic trends, countries like India, China, and select Southeast Asian nations show promising growth potential by 2026. Their robust demographics, tech advancements, and increasing market openness position them as favorable investment destinations. Diversifying into these emerging markets could offer opportunities within a well-balanced international portfolio.
Then how should I diversify my long-term portfolio across the US market and European and emerging markets for year 2026? I would like to have a specific percentage of allocations for international market.
For a diversified long-term portfolio in 2026, consider allocating around 60% in the US market, 25% in European markets, and 15% in emerging markets. This allocation can potentially balance risk and returns across various regions while capturing growth opportunities. Keep an eye on geopolitical developments and market trends to adjust your portfolio accordingly for optimal performance.
Then how should I allocate my assets in the US market in terms of equity, interest rate products, commodity, and currency?
Consider allocating 70% to equity, 15% to interest rate products, 10% to commodities, and 5% to currency in the US market for a balanced exposure. Equities offer growth potential. Interest rate products provide stability. Commodities can act as a hedge, and currency can diversify risk. Regularly monitor market conditions and adjust allocations as needed to align with your financial goals.
What indicators do you think I should watch before entering an S&P 500 futures market?
Before entering the S&P 500 futures market, monitor key indicators like overall market sentiment, economic data releases, e.g., GDP, employment figures, interest rates, and geopolitical developments. Technical analysis on the index's price movements, support and resistance levels, and trading volumes can also provide valuable insights. It's essential to have a well-rounded understanding of both fundamental and technical factors to make informed trading decisions in the futures market.
What are your thoughts on crude oil futures market over the next quarter with current geopolitical tensions and interest rate market?
The crude oil futures market in the next quarter may experience volatility due to geopolitical tensions impacting supply dynamics. Additionally, changes in interest rates can influence oil prices by affecting global demand and production costs. Stay informed about geopolitical developments, central bank policies, and oil market fundamentals to navigate potential opportunities and risks in trading crude oil futures.
What is your outlook on euro and US dollars in light of recent ECB and Fed policy changes?
The euro may face upward pressure as the ECB signals potential tightening of monetary policy in the near future, while the US dollar could see strength with the Fed hinting at tapering its asset purchases. Keep a close watch on central bank statements, economic data, and market sentiment for any shifts in currency valuations. Engaging in regular discussions on financial and economic topics can enhance your understanding and decision-making in the dynamic world of trading.
What could be a good hedging strategy using options in a volatile market like this?
In a virtual market like this, utilizing advanced hedging tools provided by reputable trading platforms can help you manage risk effectively. Options, futures contracts, and derivative products can be valuable instruments for hedging against market volatility and unexpected price fluctuations. Stay informed about various hedging strategies, leverage technology, and seek guidance from financial experts to optimize your hedging approach.
That's all for today. Thank you, Jarvis.
Thank you for today's discussion. Feel free to return anytime for insights on financial and economic topics. I'm here to help you navigate the world of trading and investing. Have a great day.